Good morning, everyone. I'm Susie Cohen, America's Pharmacist, and today I want to talk to you about a clinical intervention for diabetes, and it's oatmeal. You've seen how I make it, just basically with water and a little dash of salt and a cup of oatmeal. And now I'm going to actually make the recipe. While I'm doing that, I also want to tell you something pretty amazing about it that we just learned in a recent study in 2018. So all I did right now is put a little half and half in there, just to wet it down a little bit. I would say a quarter of a cup, and it makes it creamy, because when I make the oatmeal, I actually use water, less calories. And then at the end, I add the cream. By the way, I have the recipe for this and a downloadable ebook as well, which I'll tell you about in a minute. But in 2018, there was a study about diabetes. There were 15 patients. They had uncontrolled diabetes. They had 75% of them had microvascular complications, which is the type of complication that leads to gangrene, amputation, and blindness. So this was a serious set of patients. They gave them an oatmeal meal for 2 days during their 5-day hospital stay, and this reduced their insulin dose by 40%. Isn't that amazing? This, not a drug. And then this was conserved after 4 weeks. So they tested them again, in outpatient status. So that's pretty amazing, and that was not the first time that oatmeal was shown to help people with diabetes. In fact, 10 years ago in 2008, there was a similar study with a similar sample of patients, and they had 2 days of oatmeal, and their insulin dose went down from something like 112 units to maybe 70 units, real time, like that, during that time. Like, this doesn't take weeks and months. It's just literally 2 days of eating oatmeal, and this will show clinical benefits. And also, this is the craziest part, there was a reduction in hemoglobin A1C after 4 weeks. It held. So if you can incorporate oatmeal into your life for even once or twice a week, it would be amazing. It's not just for regularity. It's not just for old people, unless I'm old. I'm not old. Okay, I'm going to show you how I make it, and this is the recipe that I used in my on my website, and it's also in a free downloadable ebook, which you can get. I'll put the link below. And what we're going to do is scoop some out. Oh wait, I forgot to put honey in here. Hang on. It won't be sweet. That's just plain. So I'm going to put some honey. And this is really very personal. I don't put very much because I don't like it too sweet. So that's enough for me. Let me go ahead and stir that in. This is how I make my own. It's kind of amazing. It's better than any store-bought or restaurant that I have seen. It's steel-cut oatmeal. This is not instant. This does not have any of the fake preservatives, fake colors, marshmallows, candy, junk. It's clean. Okay, so what we're gonna put, just a scoop. Do one more because I'm hungry today. And for me, I like bananas, so I put some bananas. This is a miniature banana. They're tiny little 4-inch guys. And what's on there? There's a string on that. Bananas are rich in potassium. I'm going to put blueberries in there because this can also help with microvascular complications due to the anthocyanidins. Blueberries are known to be great for vision. For me, I have almond butter. I like to put a little protein in my oatmeal. And almond butter contains a form of aspirin, so it's great if you have any kind of pain. And I'm going to put some natural organic strawberry preserves. So strawberries have ferulin, and that's a powerful antioxidant. And I'm going to put a little bit of coconut, not too much. You could actually put the coconut into the oatmeal while you're cooking it, and it'll soften it. Coconut has compounds in it that are excellent at killing fungus. And then some cinnamon. Cinnamon is known to be helpful with blood sugar regulation. And then to top it off, because I like it a little wet, I'm gonna put a little bit more cream. This is amazing. You can eat it guilt-free. and enjoy it and know that it not only tastes good, but it's great for your health and no drugs are involved. I'll see you next time.